We will now explain how to prepare and connect Diamondback CSST flexible gas piping to a manifold, immovable gas appliance, or gas outlet. First, you need to cut the pipe. Using a tubing cutter, choose the place to cut and then proceed. Take your time so you get a clean cut. Now you are ready to connect the pipe to a fitting. To do this, you will need the pipe, of course, and a Diamondback mechanical fitting. In this case, it's a straight one. Using a utility knife, cut the yellow jacket off of the tubing so that 3 corrugations of the tubing are exposed. Be careful, as the edge of the tubing is sharp. Make sure there are no burrs on the pipe. If there are, use a metal file to file off the burrs. This is important because burrs can cause an improper seal, which can lead to leaks. To make the connection, first unscrew the seal nut from the fitting. Separate the split rings out from the fitting and break them apart. Then place the seal nut over the end of the tubing. After that, position the split rings onto the exposed tubing above the nut. Note that it is important to make sure that the collar on the split rings is on the exposed end of the tube away from the seal nut. If you have it backwards, the tubing system will still go together, but it will not be sealed properly, potentially leading to leaks. After the split ring is placed, 1 corrugation should be showing at the top, after the rings are in place. Now you are ready to connect the CSST to a gas outlet. In this case, we are demonstrating connecting to a manifold with a shutoff valve. First, use pipe dope to prepare for connection, and then insert the male adapter from the coupling into the valve and tighten. Now connect the CSST to the male adapter. Do not use pipe dope for this connection. It is meant to be metal to metal. Hand tighten the seal nut. Then using 2 wrenches, tighten it further. It is important that you not overly torque this. In this case, we are using 3/4 inch tubing. Consult the Diamondback installation guide for proper torque values for the tubing size. The end of the tubing will self-flare, making a tight compression seal. Whenever making a connection, only tighten the seal nut, not the male adapter. The process is complete. With the fitting attached, the connection is complete. You would use this same process for other connections, such as to an immovable